Hello guys, welcome to Brainwave Academy. Today we are going to solve this question for this video. As you can see, this is a circle geometry 1. The question says that two parallel chords lies on opposite sides of center of a circle of radius 30 cm. Their lengths are 10 cm and 24 cm. What is the distance between the chords? So since that you are dealing with what circle geometry, the first thing that comes to your mind is you have to draw a circle. The solution, solution. So we draw a circle like this. Draw a circle, and we have what? Two parallel chords. This is the first chord. They are parallel. They are parallel. This is the first one. This is the second one. They are parallel. Two parallel chords. Two parallel chords lie on opposite sides of radius 30 cm. That means they must have radius. They must have center. In the center, we connect all the lines to the center. This is it. Connect everything to the center. And each radius, if you can see that this is the radius, the length, what's the radius? The radius is a line from the circumference of the circle to the center of the circle. So here we have the radius of the circle to be 30 cm. Here is 13 cm, 13 cm, 13 cm, 13 cm. This is what we have as radius. And their lengths are 10 cm and 24 cm. The length of the chord, one of these is what? 10 cm, 10 cm. This is what? 24 cm. Then the question is asking for what is the distance between the chords, the distance between the chords, which is the vertical distance like this. This is what you are looking for, vertical distance from here to here. This is what you are looking for. So for we to get this side, if you look at this line from here to here, let's call this one line. This is AB. This is a CD. So now what you are going to do is this. You check. We are looking for distance from here to here, and here is center O. Now say from triangle AOB. For triangle AOB, we have something like this. Something like this. Don't mind my sketching. We have something like this. And here is from here to here is 10 cm. Half of it is now 5. Here is also 5. Then the radius here is 13. Here is what? 13. Here is O. Here is A. And here is what? B. And this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. What you are going to do is that we have to find the distance from here to here. We can call it P. We can call this one P and call this one Q. So how can we find P? Using what? Pythagoras theory. We pick this triangle out. We now have something like this. We have something like this. Here is 13. Here is 5. And here is P. This perpendicular side is right angle triangle. And how can we solve that? We use Pythagoras theory. As we always know, we have hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. And hypotenuse is what? 13. It is 13 square is equal to opposite is P, is P square plus 5 square. So with this, I can now say I have 13 times 13, we have 169 is equal to P square plus 5 times 5 is now 25. This is what we have. We now have 169. If this plus 25 cross equal sign, it will change to minus 25 is equal to P square. Which means P square is equal to 169 minus 25 144. We have to take the square root of both sides. We now have P is equal to square root of 144. Then P is equal to 12 centimeter. Which means that the length from here to here is now 12 centimeter. But the question says that find the distance between the chords. The chords, because it's two chords, which means we need the line from here to here. We have to also find the distance Q. Now, so let's say from triangle COD. So we have something like this. We have something. Here is O, here is C, here is D, and there is axis here. And from here to here is 24 centimeter, which means half of it is 12 centimeter. 12. The radius is remain the same, 13, and here is Q. We now say from triangle, here is the midpoint, triangle COM, from triangle COM, we we now have something like this. Here is 13, here is 12, and here is our cube. So using Pythagoras theorem again, we have hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 13 square is equals to opposite is cube square plus adjacent is 12 square. 13 times 13 is 169 is equals to cube square plus 12 times 12 is now 144. So if you this one cross equals, have 169 minus 144 is equals to q squared. By the time you subtract the two values, we have 25. Then take the square root of both sides. We have q is equals to square root of 25, which is equals to 5 centimeters. So which means that the length from here to here is 12, and the length from here to here is now 5. But the question says define distance from what? Here to here. Which means that the distance between the chords is equal to the first distance we have is 12 centimeter plus the second distance is q. That is p plus q, sorry, p plus q, which is p is now 12 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which is equal to 17 centimeter. Which means the distance from here to here between the chord is 17 centimeter. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, share and comment. Thank you and peace out.